us to sing behind a keyboardist. We don't say Alisoze with the keyboard. Yeah, let's try that soprano. Alisoze la phela mandla. Keyboard Billy. Alisoze. Keyboard Billy. Alisoze la phela mandla. Ay, alto ya tena kira. Alisoze, ne? Alisoze la phela mandla. Tena ya ring. Alisoze, ne? Alisoze la phela mandla, ne? Let's try that. I don't think we'll talk mezzo soprano. Let's try it.